Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. We have brought in front of you the video. This is a bicycle. It is exactly like a scooter which runs on battery. It is very good. It is a folding bicycle. Very cute. Very easy to trade. Its complete information will be given to you in the video. You will also be told about the company. You can further watch from there before proceeding further in the video. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe our channel and like the video.